to Melbourne. Let's talk about St. Cloud. Sorry to lose you there. It's in Melbourne, but there's lots of cool stuff in Melbourne as well. Let's talk about this from the Growth Spotter. We had Laura, our friend there from the Growth Spotter, talk about construction is going to start on Cross Prairie's city center next year. So WMG Development is under contract for the 95-acre heritage site. And Laura did a great job. I won't say everything about it, but there's like a 1,400-acre planned community that's Cross Prairie. And WMG Development, they're actually here in Winter Garden. They're going to be developing out this sort of urban core and spending a ton of money. It's a 95-acre urban center right there off the turnpike. So not only people that are living in Cross Prairie are going to be able to use it, but then there's going to be a lot of other folks in that general area that are going to be able to use it. But they're talking about 1,200 residences. That's the residential space. But there's going to be 600 hotel rooms, 200,000 square feet of medical and institutional uses, and 2.7 million square feet of commercial and office space. And so I'm kind of stoked about it. I think the grocery anchored retail space for sure. But beyond that, they're trying to continue to push what's going to be needed in that area. And if you see here, I mean, there's really not a ton right now. And if you're moving to this Cross Prairie area, it's mostly houses. As so much happens in Central Florida, you have these new developments come along. It's mostly houses. And 5, 6, 7 years into the project, they finally start backfilling into the retail and commercial space. Well, the cool thing is if they start breaking ground in 2026, then the folks of Cross Prairie are not going to have to wait as long as, say, like Horizon West or some of these other areas that have just taken forever for any kind of commercial to backfill. So I think that's another massive plus for that area. So very, very cool to see. All right, my dude, we've got some other questions here. Which ones do we want to answer?
I'm just going to go through them. I wanted to